This is TFT's new High Rise Kit. The new High Rise Kit from TFT is designed for Class 1 and Class 3 standpipe connections for fire department use, and comes in a durable bag that's equipped standard with a newly designed 2.5-inch angled waterway, 2 spanner wrenches, a 2.5 by 1.5 inch reducer, which allows you to use the waterway with any hose that has 2.5 couplings or any hose with 1.5 couplings. The kit also comes standard with an 1.5 by 2.5 increaser, which is most important when you're using a break-apart nozzle off of a hose line that has 2.5 couplings. The newly designed 2.5-inch waterway is a compact, lightweight solution. It's an integrated solution, and it's completely configurable to meet the needs of your response district. It's an integrated solution because the angled waterway, the inline pressure gauge, the optional valve, and the air bleed is all one seamless unit, so you don't have to fumble around with multiple pieces to get the solution you need. It's also completely configurable because you can have this waterway with a valve or without a valve, and if you do choose a valve, you can decide whether you want the handle mounted on the right or on the left. The angled waterway has a true unobstructed 2.5-inch waterway, which gives you maximum flow efficiency for your operations. It also has the ability to swivel 360 degrees before you tighten the unit down, and the pressure gauge itself has the ability to swivel 360, so you can adjust it to meet the needs of your hose deployment and your standpipe operations. For more information on TFT's new High Rise Kit, visit tft.com and schedule a demo today.